We're out here at the City of Mesquite Softball Complex checking on the progress. We're getting 4 of our softball fields turfed. We have a few weeks left. We're anticipating them being ready in mid-September, and we look forward to giving our girls an opportunity to come out here and compete. I'm standing on field 1. This field is the furthest along. As you can see, we have a layer of tarp laid down. We've got the drainage installed, and we're just 2 layers away from this field being complete. We're going to lay the crushed granite down, cover the complete field with granite, and then we lay down the turf at that point. And then once the turf's laid down, we stitch the lines in, and then we're pretty much putting a fence up away from being able to play on this field. Standing on field 4, we have a few steps left to do on field 4. We've got the trenches built already for the drainage pipe, but we got to install the drainage, and then we'll lay the tarp down on this field after that. But as you can see, this field has already been completely leveled. The ground's been stabilized, and so it's just a few short steps away from being completed mid-September. The fences had to be taken down basically because as you're digging the trenches around the outside and the drainage ditches around, you really needed to remove the fencing to be able to get the equipment in and do that. Obviously, to get all the material into all the fields as well. So we're going to get the fences completely replaced. The City of Mesquite is also going to get brand new windscreens and brand new poly cap for the top of the fences, as well as they're going to install batting cages. So we're well on our way to a first-class facility, and so we're pretty excited about it. Fields 3 and Fields 2 are in the same stage right now. They're the furthest away from being completed. It's probably going to be the end of September before they're done, but the ground has been stabilized. We still lack digging the trenches for the drainage, and so we've kind of formulated this in a way where it's a process, you know, one field after the other. So again, the first 2 fields will be done mid-September, and these 2 right here, Fields 2 and 3, look to be done at the end of September. When the project's complete, we're going to have 4 state-of-the-art softball fields for our softball kids to play at. Thank you to the school board and the City of Mesquite for partnering on this project. It really shows our softball kids how much they're valued, and we're thankful for that investment. We look forward to getting to see our kids play ball at this phenomenal facility.